We are redefining security and progress. The future is not just arriving, we are building it right here, right now.
AI doesn't sleep, doesn't eat, and doesn't complain about overtime.
Companies love AI because it's cheaper than paying a human salary.
But as automation grows, the number of human jobs drops.
That's called automation, Quentin. A nice word meaning robots took my job.
The model's accuracy improved after adjusting the hyperparameters.
Let's cross-reference that with the holographic data visualization.
AI isn't just changing jobs, in fact, it's changing how we make money. Some invest in AI, others panic.
The algorithm processed your application instantly, resulting in this preferred approval.
That quickly,
Yeah.
and the terms are exactly as discussed.
Yes, fully secured for 5 years.
But if we give too much control to machines, we might become the products. The solution? Balance. Humans and AI working together.
The key is to guide AI, not let it guide us.
Learn it, master it, maybe even lead it.
The future isn't artificial, Bale. It's human intelligence, enhanced.
AI is here to stay. The question is, are we ready for it?
Smart people adapt. The rest get replaced.
Thanks for watching. Now go teach your AI how to subscribe.